Sister Productions.
They're getting blind and man, wish they could see from above, cause they just want motion low, so they can come kill us all.
It's hot. You just gotta love Mondays, right? So I'm on my way to work. I'm driving, and I'm pretty much in tune with my vehicle. I can tell when something's going wrong. When I get to work, something tell me to check the vehicle. So I check the tires. I look behind the tire. The axle tube is just covered in gear oil. So apparently I have a leaky axle seal. I don't know what the leaky axle seal is about. I have no reason why my axle seal is leaking.
Oh my god. Wrong one. Oh my god.
Absolutely no reason.
It's like a lagoon.
I can't make it.
So I get to work. I decide I'll worry about the leaky axle seal later. I get in my work van. Turn the key. And nothing. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. So I break out the jump pack. It's a Genius Boost. State-of-the-art technology and capable of cranking out over 2,000 amps. So I get it all hooked up and nothing. It's not even registering the fact that it's hooked up to a battery. I look for another ground. Still nothing. I even found a chunk of metal on the engine bay I could hook it up to. Still nothing. Still nothing. It won't even click. It's supposed to click. It's supposed to let off a series of clicks. It's not doing none of that. So I walk my way back to my Jeep so I can get some supplies. And what do I notice? Apparently I'm having some clearance issues with my new tires. I whipped in the parking spot so fast I almost took my bumper off. So after wire brushing and cleaning my point of contact, I still couldn't get a good ground. My machine wouldn't even click on. So I had to call in the big dog. Don't worry, we got two of the best mechanics I know. They a beast. 7 And shout out to Edwin. Unfortunately, I had to take the spare van, which nobody likes to drive. So nobody knows if it works correctly. It's always an adventure.
Bruh.
I did get one thing accomplished this morning though. Anyway, back to this axle seal. Y'all know what I gotta do to replace that? Don't worry, cause like a movie, that video coming soon.
And now I'm saving on my Lucifer, get up on my